Hello students, welcome to the Pole Science of Class 12 Arts, and today we will proceed with the outcome of the 1971 elections and how the Congress was restored. As we know that in the 4th Lok Sabha elections, the Congress won but with a very minimum number of seats as they lose in many states. So this is the 5th election that was announced in February 1971, and after the Grand Alliance, and the competition was between Congress O, Congress R and the Grand Alliance led by parties like SSP, PSP, Bharatiya Jana Sangh, Swatantra Party and Bharatiya Kranti Dal. So after that, what was the result? Let us proceed understanding about that. So the results of Lok Sabha elections of 1971 were as dramatic as was the decision to hold these elections. Because why it was called as dramatic, the 1971 elections, why the election were termed as dramatic? For the fact that earlier only, before completing its total tenure, Indira Gandhi dissolved the Lok Sabha, and with that the Lok Sabha elections were announced for the 5th time, and that were to be held in February 1971, 2 months after the Lok Sabha were dissolved. So the result was also as dramatic as the decision to hold elections were there because of the dissolution of Lok Sabha. Indira Gandhi's Congress R, that is requisitionist, won 352 seats with about 44% of the popular votes on its own. Contrast this with the performance of Congress O, the party with so many stalwarts could get less than 1/4 of the votes secured by Indira Gandhi's party and won merely 16 seats. So first and foremost result, the outcome of 1971 elections were that out of the total number of seats, Indira Gandhi's Congress R, that means that Congress new, requisitionists were termed to as new Congress. So this new Congress led by Indira Gandhi won almost 352 seats. That means over majority. Whatever the majority were required, more than that, Indira Gandhi's party Congress R was able to win 352 seats, and that also with about 44% of the popular votes on its own. And whatever the percentage of popular votes were there, that means wherever their leaders actually contested the elections, their leaders won with a majority. So contrast with this performance of Congress O, the party with so many stalwarts, that means so many experienced leaders that can win only merely 16 seats only. That means less than 1/4. Out of suppose 40, they were not able to win even 10 also. One part of the fourth. That means 1/4 of the seat also they were not able to win, and at last they won only 16 seats. The Congress party led by Indira Gandhi established its claims to being the real Congress and restored to it the dominant position in Indian politics. The Grand Alliance of the opposition proved a grand failure. So as we know that the 1971 elections where the competitions were there between only three parties. One was Congress requisitionist led by Indira Gandhi. Then was the Congress O, that was referred to as Congress Old, and where many experienced and senior leaders were there. And the third one was the Grand Alliance. So as we come to know that Indira Gandhi's Congress New won almost 352 seats, and Congress O, where many experienced leaders were there, they won only 16 seats. And the third, which was Grand Alliance, whose motto was Indra Hatao, and under this Grand Alliance came 5 reputed parties like SSP, PSP, Bharatiya Jana Sangh, Swatantra Party and Bharatiya Kranti Dal. They formed Grand Alliance, but the party that was known as Grand Alliance could not win seats. They could win only few seats. So the Grand Alliance of that time was given the name as Grand Failure. They formed the party with a very high enthusiasm, but at last this Grand Alliance, who won only a few seats, came to be known as, or were termed as, what? A grand failure. A failure in a grand way. That type of name were given to this Grand Alliance party. And why do you think that Indira Gandhi's party, who was known as Congress R, the requisitionist, could win 352 seats? Because all the other parties, namely the Grand Alliance and as well as the Congress O, that is Congress Old, were focusing on removing Indira Gandhi. They were not focusing, and they were not being able to motivate the people that their party, if their party wins the election, they will fight and they will actually work for the development of the country and society too. But their vision or their aim was something else. Their aim was to only remove Indira Gandhi. So the Grand Alliance also gave the thought like Indira Hatao. But Indira Gandhi, on the other hand, when she led the Congress R, she gave another positive motto that was known as Garibi Hatao. Always saying Indira Hatao at that moment, and she focused on the development. And by focusing on development, she gave a very positive motto that was known as Garibi Hatao. That means if they can remove the poverty within this society, then of course it will lead to employment, and employment will lead to a better lifestyle among the people living in this country. So might be due to this positive program of Garibi Hatao, her party could won about 44% of the popular votes along with 352 seats in total. That means more than majority. So with this I will wind up today's topic related to the 1971 elections and its outcome. And in the next class we will go through the context of 1990s, discussing about many factors of coalitions and after that. So please make a note down of all this in your copy. Thank you.